This is the all-new designed RPNB Quick Access Biometric Fingerprint Pistol Safe with California DOJ certified. 500 DPI semiconductor biometric fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint images with excellent match, speed of less than 1 second for quick access entry. LED breathing indicator light. High-strength cable allows the safe to be secured in virtually any location. Pry-resistant door, durable dual-layer steel housing, and seamlessly welded pry-proof steel body for the ultimate prevention against break-ins. The interior soft foam surface cradles your weapons and valuables. RPNB Safe delivers security exactly where you want it.
BARSKA's line of biometric safes is the ultimate in quick access to your valuables. Securely scan your fingerprint within seconds without the need to waste time entering a combination or bringing keys. BARSKA's biometric fingerprint scanners are the highest resolution and advanced in the safe industry. Popular models such as our standard size biometric safe AX11224 features silent access mode, 120 fingerprint user memory, motorized deadbolts, and an approved firearm storage device by the California DOJ. So with this in mind, we here at BARSKA create peace of mind for you and your loved ones every time.